All right, welcome back to an unboxing, or an unwrapping rather. Today we got from the Halloween drop, this is going to be the outline black tote bag, so I'm calling it. Yeah, just released this past like 2 Fridays ago, or 2 Sundays ago. Got the receipt. Okay, this is pretty big. That's what she said, but this is nice. That's what it looks like in the wrap. Get this bad boy out, see how it's looking for. Ooh, I like the feeling of it. So it's gonna be screen printed on. It's not puff print like I was thinking. And I kind of prefer this because I'm gonna make it more durable, to be honest. Kind of a nick right here on the E for some reason. But yeah, so when you got stuff in it, it'll be like this. It's got an inside tag. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I like it. Pretty chill, pretty chill. Alright, well, thanks for watching. That's it.